Let me briefly explain how to use these practice tests. These tests are a test of your intelligence. Now, when I say intelligence, it is how clearly you are able to understand the question. It is a test of how well you are able to form equations and how fast you are able to solve these equations and get the answer. That is what this test is about. Now, if you are aware of any particular formula or if you are aware of any shortcut, definitely it is helpful. But the main part is your intelligence. So, how much you can concentrate and for how long. That is what they are testing you on. So, trust your intelligence and try to concentrate and perform well. That is what is important. And with each test, try to concentrate more and more. And when you attempt your actual placement test, you will be able to perform well.